like we said, we're doing, these are our little walking J.A.s. He got approved for TI yesterday.
Great. Okay, good. You got it, man.
Thanks, Judge.
Have fun. All right, you remember Mr. Slyman?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Slyman, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. With probable cause, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. On April 3rd, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, an officer observed a motor vehicle failed to signal while changing lanes. The officer was driving 92 to 97 miles an hour, and the defense motor.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
The officer was driving 92 to 97 miles an hour, and the defense motor vehicle was pulling away from the officers. The officers paced the motor vehicle at 89 miles an hour and a 60 mile an hour per zone. Traffic stop was conducted, and the officer observed the defendant behind the wheel operating the motor vehicle. The defendant was identified by his extra driver's license. The officers observed the defendant to have dilated pupils, pressured speech, difficulty concentrating, constantly moving around, a strong odor of cologne on his person, and the mild odor of an alcoholic beverage emitting from his person.
See a strong odor of what?
And alcohol, or mild odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from the person.
You said there was an odor of something else, though.
Oh, strong odor of cologne.
Cologne.
Yes, sir. The defendant also had watery eyes and unsteady balance. The defendant stated he takes an Adderall prescription. Standardized field sobriety tests were performed, where the officer observed 6 out of 6 clues on the HGN, 3 out of 8 on the walking turn, 2 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. The defendant declined a breath test, and officers located a THC vent pen in the motor vehicle. Blood warrant was obtained and a blood draw was completed.
You prior to the eyes and valid license.
Just have Lauren Bowman.
Do you think that he was on something? Is that
That's
what
what the
the,
judge would lead me to believe, Your Honor, that from the signs that the officers observed, that was potentially what the officers believed at the time.
I'm sending you now for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system and needed to come back. You're not to use alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. And I'm telling you now, I will test you around 50 days from today. If you continue to use, it's not going to go well for you. You understand? You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. So any priors?
Don't believe so, Your Honor. I'm sorry, it's still taking me.
Okay. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, so you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with her. She'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. So I'm going to send him now. I want to know what, if anything, is in the system. We'll have him come back and then we'll go from there.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Take a seat for me, but don't leave.
Thank you.
All right. Don't use. I will test you 50 days from today.
Yes, sir.
If you test positive, you've continued to use, it's not going to go well for you. I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
asking much. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Thank
I'm
you.
going to, well, we'll set your case off for 50 days from today, and then I'll have to come back and we'll, okay? All right. After that, if he's negative, then we'll wait.
So do you want me to come back on?
She'll
Yes,
explain.
okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Next, on the next one.
Okay.
Where would you like
Okay.
Did you just get here?
He was here earlier, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Hava.
Good morning, sir.
So you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're going to be probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney.
4/1/2025, officer observed the defendant's motor vehicle run a red light. Officer ran the vehicle and found the motor vehicle had expired registration. Traffic stop was conducted. Defendant was identified by name and date of birth. Officer observed the strong odor of marijuana emanating from the vehicle. The defendant handed law enforcement officers a marijuana pipe, a handgun, marijuana, and mushrooms recognized by
Say mushrooms?
mushrooms. Was recognized by the officer based on training experience, was also found in the vehicle. And that gun was found, Your Honor. The pistol was found between the driver's seat and center console, within the reach of the defendant, contained a magazine, 15 9mm round in it. than the reason and it is charged as, possession of marijuana with the possession of marijuana as the underlying UCW.
What about the suicide?
No, sir, I only got charged with the, sorry.
It wasn't charged, no POM was charged, it was just the UCW.
I get it. Right? What about the mushrooms?
Mushrooms were not charged.
They weren't illegal. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Janela,
I
you're
know.
on bond for a felony. You've now picked up a new case with a gun, with a whole host. Here's what we're gonna do now. Number one, I'm gonna find if there's probable cause to go forward with your case. The second thing I'm gonna do is I'm sending you now for a drug test. I wanna know what, if anything, is in your system, and then you're to come back. Do you understand?
So,
Pending what that says, we will do bond conditions. If you fail to go, if you fail to test, I will issue a warrant. Do you understand?
I'm not gonna lie, yeah.
Stop.
I'm gonna.
Don't say anything. All I want to know is what, if anything. Just take a seat for me real quick. We're going to get you out there. And then as soon as you come back, I'll have, good morning, Ms. Vasquez. Ma'am, you were charged with theft. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause.
Doy motivos fundados, saber los motivos por qué te arrestaron.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one,
Me
one
puedes
will be appointed to you.
asignar uno de oficio.
Yes, sir. On April 2nd,
El 2 de
2025,
abril de 2025
officers were dispatched to the call
Oficiales.
service.
fueron a una llamada de un minuto.
Officers spoke with a loss prevention officer.
Hablaron con el oficial que estaba trabajando en la gente.
Complainants stated that
Y
they
el
observed
quejante dijo que te observaron
on the defendants on
a ti
video
en video
placing children's clothing
poniendo ropa de niños
and accessories
y otros accesorios
into a backpack
en tu maletín
and purse.
o mochila y en tu cartera.
Complainant stated the defendant paid for her groceries,
Ahí dijiste que habías pagado para toda la comida,
but passed all points of sale
pero pasaste todos los puntos de venta
without paying for the clothing
Sí.
merchandise.
a pagar para la ropa.
These items that were taken
Y estos artículos que se llevaron,
were $91 in children's clothing,
$91 en ropa de niños,
$9.98 in underwear,
no, $9.98 en calzoncillos
$39.92
y
in clothing.
$39.92
¿Es clothing?
Men's.
en ropa de hombre
And $25.96
y $25.96 de ropa de
as
mujeres.
well as baby accessories
Otros accesorios para los niños,
totaling $67.85
total $65.85
for a combined value
para una combinación de valorada de $235.
From,
This was from a Walmart.
Esto era en un Walmart, dice.
Your Honor.
Ms. Vasquez, I'm going to find if there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case.
So, hay bastantes motivos para ir adelante con tu caso.
Check it out, Your Honor. Pretty sure Walmart.
I am ordering you as a condition of your bond, not to go to any Walmart
Mira, ni
for any reason.
para ninguna
If
razón.
I find that you do, or if
Averigua,
I find that you pick up a new case,
agarra-
I will revoke your bond and I will put you in jail. I don't know what your immigration status
no
is,
sé cuál es tu estatus
but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail,
y vas a la cárcel,
immigration finds you
migración
because
te,
they sweep it on a daily basis. They will put an immigration detainer on you. And you will be stuck like Chuck in custody
a quedar
until this
presa.
case is over, and then you get shipped off to immigration. This is the only warning that you will get.
Única advertencia que vas a
Do
dar,
not pick up any new
no
cases.
recoges ningún caso,
Don't be a danger to my city.
no seas peligro a esta ciudad. ¿Entiendes?
Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance.
Un abogado no vas a tener que aparecer tu
He
próxima
will
vez.
tell you if and when you
Él
have
te
to
va
come
a
back.
decir cuando tengas que venir a corte de vuelta. ¿Ok?
He tells me he cannot get a hold of you.
Si él me dice que no se puede comunicar contigo o no
Likewise,
estás
I will issue-
recibiendo llamadas, te voy a quitar la urgencia.
We'll have you sign a reset now.
Firmaron.
We'll have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it,
La condición.
and then after that, you'll be free to go. All right, good luck, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Judge, we're waiting for Amos.